Now let us go ahead and see how we can create this specific format using text inside of Blender. I am going to delete the cube, then I will go to Mesh, select text, set it to the Z-axis, and then clear it out. And then I am going to type the letter D from the font section. I am going to center it. And then I will select the font that I want to use. I am going to use bold fonts, so I have chosen Arial Black for this. Now I am going to go to Object, and from the Convert section, I will select Mesh, and then I set the origin. Set to Origin. I click on Origin to Geometry, which ensures the anchor point is placed exactly on the font. I check to see if it has become a mesh. Alright, I'm going to set it to the negative Y angle now. With Y, I will drag it upwards, effectively moving it towards the Z axis. Okay. Now we go to the Auto Modifier. I will select the Remesh section. From the Remesh tab, I will set the sharp value to 7. Remove the check from Remove and apply. We are going to enter edit mode from the select, selecting sharp edges. From the edit menu, we move to this cut now that it is selected. I am going to assign it to a vertex group to group it, then move to the Modifier tab. We should add a bit of bevel. I am going to set it to 3. I will come over to this section and select the vertex group. I place my group here. Be very precise, guys. Make sure you place the vertex group you grouped there. I will apply it. Then I come over to Physics and select Cloth. I am going to raise the quality higher, that is suitable. Then I come down. Right here, I type 2. I set 2 to make it 2000. Okay, moving down. Check this box. I'm going to increase this number to 1000 so I can get a better texture, guys, and I will set my ending to 20. That is 20%, meaning if the opacity was between 1 and 20, I could have increased it more, but to actually make the movement of this less, and to ensure my system does not lag too much, I am setting it to 20. Then in the shape section, I will assign this to my image group, and I will set this number to -2, which is the device. I am going to increase the quality slightly, and here I will set it to 10 before 15, guys. I am setting this number because I want to have a better texture. Change the number yourself during practice. You can increase or decrease the settings. For example, set this distance to 15 and be sure to check the collision box. Go ahead and click that, and then I will select the back option. We will wait a moment for it to complete the render for me. Okay, I press the spacebar. Look at the texture it created. Now I will apply these settings. I am going to add a bit of subdivision surface to smooth it out. I am going to go ahead and apply this one again. We should add some color, but first we will take a look at the render. I will check it in the render section and then apply some skin to it. Now I'm going to rotate it around. Okay, good. Moving on to the color. Alright everyone, I'm going to make it metallic by turning the metallic setting all the way up, picking a color and adjusting the roughness. I will decrease or increase it. Alright. I am going to tweak this section slightly so the form gets a bit more transparency. Going to render. I will select Eevee, rendering the image. Let us get a render of this. It is here. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to like, subscribe and hit that little bell icon. And if you really enjoyed this video, please share it with one of your friends. Until the next tutorial, goodbye.